Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create custom filter on Snapchat. So let's get right into it. To create custom filter on Snapchat, head over to your Snapchat application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account of Snapchat. Then just scroll right to your Snapchat filters until you see an option like this one. And here if you find an option like plus icon, then you'll able to just add your own custom filter to Snapchat or create your own custom filter. And as there in my region it is not available currently, so the plus icon is not available too, so I just can't do that. And if you want to do that, you just make sure your country is available for that specific region. And yeah, that's it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.